Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming Windows 7 Service Pack 1 and whether your PC is 64-bit or 32-bit because installers differ. Next, download a reputable live wallpaper program and save the installer to a known folder. Create a system restore point now so you can revert if something goes wrong. Once done, run the installer as administrator and follow prompts. Make sure to allow any drivers or extra components the program requests so the wallpaper can run with necessary permissions. Once the app is installed, launch it with administrator rights so Windows won't block background tasks. Import your animated or video wallpaper and preview it. Adjust resolution and frame rate for stability. In the app's preferences, enable Start with Windows and allow the program to run in the background. This ensures the live wallpaper stays active after logon. Also set performance limits like lower FPS or pause on full-screen apps to prevent conflicts with games and video playback. To make the wallpaper truly persistent, add the app to Task Scheduler or create a startup shortcut in the Startup folder so it launches after login. If the wallpaper resets or disappears, first check startup entries and whether antivirus blocked the app. Re-enable or whitelist it. If animations cause crashes or black screens, disable GPU acceleration in the app, update or roll back graphics drivers, and test again. Finally, use your system restore point if stability cannot be regained.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.